This video will show you how to make a growing hair simulation in Blender. Please watch it to the very end. When you open Blender, first press Delete to delete the default cube. Press Shift to then go to Mesh and add a torus. Come down here and expand on its settings panel, then increase its minor radius to 0.4. Come to the modifier properties, then click on Add Modifier, then go to Generate and add a subdivision surface modifier. Increase the viewport levels to 2, then click on this drop-down arrow and apply the modifier. Now come to the particle properties and click on this plus icon to add a particle system to it. Switch it from emitter to hair, then reduce the hair length to 0.35. Click here on number and increase it to 30,000. Scroll down to viewport display and click on this drop-down arrow, then reduce on this amount to 30%. Now you can scroll up again and increase the number of hair to 60,000. Press Shift to then go to Empty and add a sphere. Press S then 2 to scale it up by 2. Click on this Z to go to a top view, then click on this icon to activate the auto keying button. Press G then X, then click to assign a keyframe at this point. Go to frame 200, then press G then X and move it up to this point. So deactivate this auto keying button, then select this torus and come to the modifier properties. Click on Add Modifier, then go to Edit and add a Vertex Weight Proximity modifier. Under Target Object, click on this eyedropper, then select the empty. Press Tab to go to the Edit mode, then come to Object Data Properties and click on this icon to add a vertex group. Click on Assign to assign them, then press Tab to go back to the object mode. Now come back to the modifier properties and click here under Vertex Group, then select Group. Come up here and click on this drop-down arrow, then switch to the Weight Paint mode. Now if you play it, you can see the empty moving, but nothing is really happening to the hair. So come back to the modifier properties, then come to Proximity mode and change it from Object to Geometry. Increase the lowest value to 0.1, then the highest value to 3.4. Go to the particle properties, then scroll down and click on this drop-down arrow on Vertex Group. Click here under Length and select this group. Now if you play it, you can see that nothing is really happening. To fix that, click on this icon to go back to the object mode, then go to the modifier properties and click on this Vertex Weight Proximity modifier, then click here and hold, then move it above the particle system modifier. Now if you play it, you can see it coming out perfectly. So select this empty, then click on this icon and switch this area to Graph Editor. Right-click, then go to Interpolation mode and change the interpolation to linear. Click on this icon again and switch back to the timeline. And now we're done. You can now go ahead to work on your scene further in Render. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial up to now. I really appreciate. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.